In this video, I'll show you how to check if your Facebook account has been hacked using an iPhone or Android phone. To begin, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Once the app is open, tap the menu icon located at the bottom of the screen. In the menu, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Next, in the Settings menu, select See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, scroll down to the Account Settings section and tap Password and Security. Then, tap where you're logged in. Select the account you want to check for unauthorized access. You'll now see a list of all the devices and locations where your Facebook account is currently logged in. The first item will be your current device, your iPhone, followed by other devices logged into your account. Review the list carefully for any unfamiliar devices or locations. If you notice anything suspicious, tap Select Devices to log out. You can either choose Select All to log out all devices except the one you're currently using or individually select specific devices to log out. This will remove any unauthorized users from your account. After making your selections, tap Log Out and confirm the action. By following these steps, you can ensure that any hackers are logged out of your Facebook account and prevent them from accessing it again.